बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इससे पिछली वीडियो में हमने भट्टी सन्स की बुक से माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के सारे एमसीक्यूज़ के जो टॉपिक थे वो कवर किए थे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डॉगर पब्लिशर्स की बुक में जितने माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो सारे सॉल्व शुदा डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। कुछ दिनों बाद आपका लेक्चरर इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर है, तो इंशाल्लाह आपकी तैयारी अच्छी होगी। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। First question is the author of Wealth of Nation is Adam Smith. Economic theory deal with microeconomics and macroeconomics. Both of them है microeconomics से भी deal करती है और macroeconomics से भी deal करती है. And microeconomics will study individual unit of economy. Macroeconomics is also known as price theory. Macroeconomics को price theory भी कहा जाता है. All consumer want to maximize their utility. हर consumer का मोटिव होता है कि वो अपनी utility को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करे. J.R. हिक्स वाज अ न्यू क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिस्ट. हिक्स ने ISLM कर्व भी पेश किए थे, तो इनको न्यू क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिस्ट कहा जाता है. रिवील प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय सैमुएल्सन. ये पेपर में 2015 में आया था कि रिवील प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय सैमुएल्सन. लॉ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शन इज रिगार्डिंग शॉर्ट रन. ISO can't represent equal output. Marginal productivity theory deal with the theory of distribution. The cost of production are faced by firm. जो फर्म है उसी को कास्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन फेस करनी पड़ती है. एंड मोनोपली देयर इज वन प्रोड्यूसर. जनरल इक्विलिब्रियम डील विद द इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ ऑल द प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर. इन इकोनॉमी द एफिशिएंसी एंड ऑप्टिमलिटी ड्यू टू वेलफेयर इकोनॉमी इज क्रिएटेड. Regarding economic decisions, economists of uncertainty identify risk. An economic model describing the working of an economy consists of functional relationship. Prices are determined by the forces of demand and supply. The water diamond paradox was firstly resolved with the help of labor theory of value. Government planners play a central role in allocating resources only under socialism. Karl Marx provided theoretical basis for socialism. Labor theory was first rejected by Karl Marx ने लेबर थ्योरी रिजेक्ट की थी. प्राइस मैकेनिज्म हैज़ आल्सो गिवन द नेम ऑफ लेसिस फेयर. द फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इन इकोनॉमिक और फॉर द परफेक्ट कंपटीशन इज फर्निश्ड विद मैनी सेलर्स. General equilibrium is concerned with simultaneous equilibrium of all the economic agents. In Ricardian theory of value, the stress has been made on marginal cost. Traditionally, the study of determination of price is called theory of value. According to marginalists, the price of any commodity is determined by both of them, marginal usefulness and marginal cost. With the decrease in marginal valuation of a specific commodity, the price offered by the pupil decreases. The price of water is lower as it has lower marginal valuation for consumer and lower marginal cost for producer. According to Saint Thomas Aquinas, value is determined by God but price is determined by pupil. ये सेंट थॉमस एक्विनस ने कहा था कि वैल्यू जो है वो गॉड की तरफ से डिटरमिन होती है और जो प्राइस होती है वो पीपल की तरफ से. According to Smith, by the value we mean the value with respect to use, and the price we mean the value with respect to exchange. The production possibility curve is concerned with resources of the economy. Scarcity mean limited resources. When resources are allocated by government planning, decision making is decentralized. As nearly as we can estimate it, Soviet productivity growth was stagnant and declining after about 1965. When resources are at our disposal, our limited, then we have to make a choices. The partial equilibrium model keep other things constant. As the price of a diamond is higher, so it has higher marginal valuation of a consumer and see higher marginal cost for producer. The soft budget constraint of Soviet enterprise was the absence of bankruptcy threat. If an administrative command economy, individuals were not allowed to own capital. For analysis, it is clear that both Marshall and Wallace market models are stable. From socialist economies that are moving to free market capitalism, we have experienced problem with state-owned enterprises. Early cities of planned socialist economies believed such economy would ultimately fall because they underutilize scarce information. If business managers are rewarded on the basis of how much output they create, there is a potential for quality to suffer. If we find the elasticity of a demand and supply in the neighborhood of new equilibrium, we find with respect to price that demand will be more elastic than supply. The Covey model will diverge from one point when the slope of supply curve is more than demand curve. स्टेबल कवर मॉडल इज़ अ बोथ ऑफ देम सिंपल मॉडल भी होता है और डायनामिक मॉडल भी होता है द मॉडल विच गिव अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट प्राइस एंड आउटपुट चेंज इन डिफरेंट पीरियड इज स्टेबल कवर मॉडल और perpetual oscillation model. When quantity demand is greater than quantity supply, then price tend to rises. Second topic is theory of consumer behavior and demand. When a consumer is satisfied with his spending pattern, he is said to be in equilibrium. Marshallian approach is also known as cardinal approach. According to classical theory, utility can be expressed in number. The utility function U is function of X is based upon one good. According to Marshall, utility can be added. For which of the following would household preference be most stable over time? Food. Marginal utility is only mean for additional utility. If MU is 0, the total utility is maximum. The law of diminishing marginal utility implies that marginal utility of a good decreases as the household consumer more of it. Diamonds are more expensive than water because they yield higher marginal utility. Consumer is in equilibrium while his money income is given when MU equal to P. In case of two goods following utility approach, a consumer is in equilibrium when इसका ऑप्शन क्लियर नहीं है द अमाउंट ऑफ इनकम लेफ्ट ओवर फॉर अ कंज्यूमर इन इक्विलिब्रियम ज़ीरो द बजट कंस्ट्रेंट इक्वेशन इज एक्स into px plus y into py equal to 1. The original utility function can be as u equal to x1 multiplied by x2. In case of complementary good, an IC can be L-shaped. During economic beds, an IC can be sloping upward. An IC is in case of perfect substitution can be negatively sloped. Total utility reflects the overall level of satisfaction of the household. The modern view of consumption emphasizes that consumers desire the service at different commodities. If a consumer buy product that costs $3 and provide an additional 21 unit of satisfaction, then for his purchase, the marginal utility per dollar is 7. When laws are passed to prevent price gouging on higher price that result from an increase in demand, price no longer reflect marginal utility. The original approach was finally presented by J.R. Hicks. Utility can be multiplied according to neoclassical. As a consumer goes to use more and more one good, the marginal utility goes decreasing. In case of equilibrium, not only consumer income is fully spent, but the ratio of MU and price is equalized. And difference curve show the bundle of two goods among us which is consumer remain indifferent. Moving along, an indifference curve leaves the consumer better off. An increase in the income of a consumer causes the budget line to shift parallel. The slope of indifference curve at any point reflects marginal rate of substitution. With the fall in price of product, budget line shift upward. The advantage of using indifference curve rather than marginal utility, we don't need to attach until value to consumptions. The budget line is described by each of the following except the consumer need to spend all her income. An IC normally slope downward from left to right. The slope of an indifference curve is MRS. In case of budget line, we get pair of two goods where consumer income is fully spent. The slope of budget line show the price ratio of two goods. A consumer is in equilibrium and slope of IC is equal to slope of budget line. The lambda or Lagrange multiplier is a catalyst. In case of income effect, the level of consumer satisfaction rises when income rises. In case of inferior good, the increase in income of the consumer result in less purchase. Eagle curve show how commodity consumption rate differ at various level of income. Price effect occur on the higher IC in case of Siltisky. In case of normal good, price effect is inverse and negative both हो सकता है. The necessary condition of consumer equilibrium that ये clear नहीं है. Price effect represent the effect on consumer equilibrium if price of one commodity change while the price of other commodity and the income of the consumer remain the same. In case of given good, the relationship between price substitution and income effect will be price effect equal to substitution of effect plus income effect. In case of given good, price effect is positive. With the rise of price of good, there is a fall of income of consumer. Net substitution are based upon substitution effect only. अब हमारे पास है टॉपिक 3 मार्केट डिमांड एंड इलास्टिसिटी. डिमांड को इलास्टिसिटी का कंबाइन कर दिया है डोगर वालों ने. द स्लोप ऑफ मार्शिलियन डिमांड कर्व इज डाउनवर्ड. द रिलेशनशिप शोन बाय डिमांड कर्व बिटवीन प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी इज नेगेटिव. The Marshallian demand curve is include both substitution effect and income effect. The Hessian demand curve include just substitution effect. The coefficient of price of elasticity of demand is always positive or zero. The Saltinsky demand curve include just price effect. Hicksian जो है वो just substitution effect demand curve करता है और Saltinsky का just price effect. The Marshallian indirect utility function is the form of equation is x equal to y into py over px. The Hicksian indirect utility function is in the form of equation is x into mu bar py over px. The indirect utility function is a homogeneous function of 0 degree. The coefficient of price elasticity of demand is computed as absolute value of percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in prices. Demand is elastic when the coefficient of elasticity is greater than 1. If a consumer spends more of product after a fall in supply, then demand is inelastic. If demand curve is inelastic, then it is maybe nearly vertical. If p and 1 greater than 0, then indirect utility function Vp into 1 will be continuous. The term of price, the indirect utility function may be quasi-convex. The Marshallian demand function is of x into p of 1. Marshallian demand function is also known as compensated. Market demand curve is vertical summation of individual demand curve. In case of given good, demand curve is vertical. Theory of revealed preference is based on strong ordinance. In revealed preference theory, a consumer reveal preference for bundle of two goods. Revealed preference theory Samuelson prove price effect, substitution effect, income effect without using IC. Under bandwagon effect, people use those goods we used by their relatives, friends, and family. The effect according to which people use those goods which are concerned with distinctive standard of living are snob effects. Veblen effect of consumption are concerned with conspicuous consumption or different consumption. The standard of form of demand function is Q equal to A minus BP. The general form of demand function is QD equal to function of P, price of substitute, and income. T, E, and taste in and NC. If demand for a good is inelastic and its price rises due to shift in supply, then seller total revenue increases. Moving down along a linear demand curve, demand approaches perfect elasticity. Quantity demand is inversely affected by change in prices. The elasticity of demand is equal to slope of demand function divided by average demand function. Elasticity of demand is greater than 1 when there are proportional change in quantity as a result of proportional change in prices. With elasticity of demand, the negative sign is ignored. The arc elasticity is measure of average elasticity at the midpoint of the chord and connects two points on demand curve. The elasticity of demand on rectangular hyperbola curve remains same. The demand of luxury is more elastic. The demand of necessity is less elastic. The change in demand for X as a result of change in price of Y is concerned with gross elasticity of demand. In case of inferior good, income elasticity of demand is negative. The Giffen paradox is an exception to law of demand. A good tend to have relatively inelastic demand if it has no very close substitute. The cross price elasticity of demand for orange juice with respect to price of apple juice is probably positive. Economists define luxury as good with income elastic greater than 1. Economic defines substitute as pair of goods with positive cross price elasticities. In the immediate run, supply curve are perfectly inelastic. In the long run, new firm can enter the market. Supply curve are most elastic in the long run. Most of the supply curve with which average consumer deal are horizontal. Airlines that try to lower fare in order to increase revenue believe that demand of airline service is price elastic. The good with the highest income elasticity is मोशन प्राइस टिकट. बाकी बीफ लार्ड और पोक की हाईएस्ट इनकम इलास्टिसिटी नहीं होती. अब हमारे पास है टॉपिक फॉर प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन. द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इनपुट इनटू आउटपुट. क्लासिकल प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन इज Q इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ L एंड K. क्लासिकल का L और K दोनों होते हैं, लेबर और कैपिटल. प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन डिस्क्राइब रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. व्हेन टोटल प्रोडक्ट Q इज मैक्सिमम, मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट इज पॉजिटिव. द मार्जिनल व्हेन टोटल प्रोडक्ट फॉल, मार्जिनल इज नेगेटिव. द मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन एज, इधर इसका आंसर क्लियर नहीं है. द एवरेज प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन एज Q over L. When total product increasing at a decreasing rate, marginal product is greater than average product. In short run, labor is variable. When MP is increased by implying additional unit of labor, then law of increasing return applies. Law of substitution in production was presented by classical economics. Economist, the optimum factor combination is MPL over PL equal to MPK over PK. The budget constraint equation of the firm is LPL plus KPK equal to C. The proportionality rule in production required that the ratio of MP and factor prices are not equalized. The isocount approach is new classical approach. The isocount approach is based upon two inputs. Production indifference curve is a curve which show equal level of output. The line from the origin to a point on an isocount show the capital labor ratio. The slope of an isocount present MRTS. The MRTS along an isocount goes on to diminishes. Isocost line show the combination of labor and capital where firm's budget is fully spent. The slope of the isocost line show factor price ratio along an isocount output remains same and capital labor ratio is different. The necessary condition of optimum factor combination require dk over dl equal to pl over pk. The minimization of cost subject to output require equilibrium at lowest isocost line. The maximization of output subject to cost require equilibrium at the highest isocost line. The expansion point is attained by joining different optimal combination. An isocount represents magnitude An isocount is based on MRTS according to Cobb-Douglas production function MPL equal to B1 x over L. In case of complementary factors, the isocounts are L-shaped according to Trans-Long production function. Elasticity of substitution is equal to 1. The general form of Cobb-Douglas production function is Q equal to B naught L1 LB1 KB2. The CES production function show increasing return to scale. We get constant return to scale when both of them alpha equal to 1 over 2, beta equal to 1 over 2. Isocast is a curve which show different combination of two factors like labors and capital which a firm can purchase while there are given firms budget line, price of labor, price of capital. A firm will be equilibrium when the lowest isocast is tangent to the given isocount. The slope of isocast is equal to slope of isocount, then isocount is convex to origin. A firm can never produce in the middle area of input space in case of convex isocount. The combination of labor and capital where the cost of a given output is minimized is known as least cost factor combination, optimum factor combination. If the production function is homogeneous, the expansion path will be straight line through the origin whose slope determines the optimal K over L ratio. With the change in factor price, the slope of expansion path will also change. An IQ show different pair of two goods which yield the same level of output. The elliptical isocount represent the economic combination of labor and capital, uneconomic combination of labor and capital. In case of straight line isocount, the factors are not substituted because they are each other's perfect substitute. According to Leontief technology, there is only one technique of production. If the factors have to implied in a fixed ratio, then elasticity of substitution under Leontief technology is 0. The elasticity of substitution measures the percentage change in ratio of input when any producer observes the percentage change in input prices. The equation for CESPE's in general form is as Q equal to A into alpha KB naught plus 1 minus alpha LB naught into power minus 1 over beta. The isocount, which are generally by constant elasticity of substitution production function is always negatively slope. अब हम पांचवा पार्ट शुरू करते हैं कास्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन द कास्ट फंक्शन इज सी इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ क्यू in short run firm can change its variable production. The cost faced by a firm against fixed factor is called fixed cost. The cost faced by a firm against variable factor is called variable cost. The total variable cost in equation form are L into PL. Total fixed cost K into PK. Total costs are total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Average cost total cost over Q पे डिवाइड हम करते हैं. एवरेज वेरिएबल कास्ट को हम LPL divided by Q. The shape of total cost is S inverted. Average variable curve is U-shaped. Marginal cost are PL over MPL. Average variable cost equal to PL over APL. MC curve is U-shaped. The relationship between MC and M marginal production shown by the marginal cost concept is inverse. The average cost curve is geometrical illustration of quadratic function. The behavior of MC curve is determined by the behavior of the SC curve, AC curve, TC curve. When the level of optimal factor combination is over and more labor is implied with the fixed plant efficiency of labor decreases. The relationship between AC and MC curve depend upon the behavior of AP curve and MP curve. When AC curve fall, MC curve fall more than AC curve. When AC curve is minimum, AC curves are equal to MC. The average variable cost is slope of line drawn from origin to a point on total variable cost curve. The average fixed cost curve is asymptote to x-axis. The marginal cost curve is slope of the total cost curve. When marginal cost curve cut average cost curve, average cost are minimum. The long run total cost is attained by long run average cost multiplied by Q. The long run average cost curve is saucer shaped. The long run average cost curve is the envelope of short run average cost curve. Each short run average cost curve represents particular level of output. When short run average cost curve rises, small short run marginal cost curve lies to above. When expansion path includes CRS it is and DRS, the production function is homothetic. The cost curve of the firm shift due to change in input prices or technological invention. In the range of excess capacity, the average cost or minimum in modern cost theory, ABC equal to B1, MC B1 in the range of reserve capacity. In modern theory of cost, a firm nominal utilizes two or third capacity of its plant. In modern theory, long run average cost and long run marginal cost after the attainment of minimum optimal scale. The optimum level of output is long run take place where short run average cost and long run average cost equal होती हैं. In long run firm can change fixed cost and variable factor. There is no difference between fixed and variable factor in the long run. In the long run average cost curve a firm can change both of them. फिक्स कास्ट लेबर एंड कैपिटल दोनों को चेंज कर सकते हैं. The good which is purchased more at a cost of decrease in the purchase of other good is called inferior good. नहीं बल्कि superior good बोलते हैं. The good which is purchased more at the cost of decrease in the purchase of other good is called superior good. And if production increase under constant return to scale, the cost will be increase at a constant return to scale. A correct है, C correct नहीं है. If the production increase under decreasing return to scale, the cost will be increasing at increasing rate. If production increases under increasing return to scale, the cost will increase at decreasing rate. LMC represents change in LTC due to producing an additional unit of a good, while fixed and variable factor can be changed. The modern cost curve are based upon the idea of reserve capacity. The reserve capacity in administration is advocated on the ground that demand for a product will increase in future. Excess capacity is concerned with the U-shaped traditional cost. In the modern theory of cost, the level of production which the firm considers feasible is known as load factor. The engineering production function and engineering cost curve are concerned with the production cost. हमारे पास लास्ट टॉपिक है 6 प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन एंड सप्लाई एंड थ्योरी ऑफ मार्केट बिहेवियर. और नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज जीरो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉफिट. Imperfect competition exists if each seller faces horizontal demand curve. By increasing the price of its producer products above those of its competitor, a perfect competitive seller can sell nothing. By reducing the price of its product below those of its competitor, a perfect competitor seller can still sell only as much as the competition price. In case of perfect competition, the seller are a few very large होते हैं perfect competition में. C option. In case of perfect competition, the firm sell homogeneous goods. The price under perfect competition are settled by sellers and buyers. The factor of production in perfect competition are mobile. Under perfect competition, there is free entry and exit. The number of sellers in duopoly are 2. The number of sellers in oligopolies are a few. The largest possible loss that a firm will make in the short run is its total fixed cost. The marginal revenue of the perfectly competitive firm is equal to price of its product. If the current level of output, the firm marginal revenue is less than the marginal cost, then firm should keep output unchanged. If profit maximization firm in a perfectly competitive industry produce 50 unit of output at a price of $4 per unit, then variable costs are no more than $200. The largest possible loss that will be suffered by a perfectly competitive firm in the long run is zero. Entry of a new firm into competitive market will shift the supply curve of the industry to the right. In case of monopolistic competition, the firm sell differential good. The number of seller is monopoly is only one. A firm is a sum of person who convert input into output. The main objective of firm is to make economic decisions. The firm is an equilibrium where profit is maximum. A firm profit is equal to R minus C. रेवेन्यू में से कास्ट हम माइनस करते हैं. द फर्म इज सेड टू विल इक्विलिब्रियम व्हेन इट्स डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर एंड सी इज मैक्सिमम. In perfect competition market, the profit maximization rule can be represented by P equal to MC. The difference between accounting profit and economic profit is implicit cost. Which of the following is not characteristics of perfect competition heterogeneous product? Which of the following is not characteristics of imperfect competition heterogeneous product? जो है वो इसकी characteristics नहीं है. बाकी freedom of entry and exists perfect information about prices और each seller is a price taker. Correct है. In case of perfect competition, a firm is price taker. मोनोपोली में प्राइस सेटर होती है, perfect competition में प्राइस टेकर होती है. The price taker firm is one which cannot influence the market price. In case of perfect competition, P equal to AR equal to MR. In case of monopoly, both AR and MR fall, but MR falls double to that of AR. According to marginist, the profit maximization hypothesis require MC equal to MR. In case of perfect competition, TR curve rises at a constant rate. In case of monopoly, TR curve rises decreasing rate. Perfect competition में TR constant rate से बढ़ता है और monopoly में decreasing rate से बढ़ता है. At break even point, TR equal to TC. The alternative of profit maximization theory is revenue maximization. In monopoly and perfect competition, TC curves are similar. When total revenue equal to total opportunity cost, then the firm will earn normal profit. In the real world, some competitive firm owns specialized resources that earn a return called rent. Retailer track is a constant cost industry for all of the following reasons except the building housing. Retail trade can be used only for that purpose. The marginalist approach of profit maximization lacks empirical ground. The average revenue are attained by dividing TR by Q. The marginal revenue or derivative of TR function equilibrium of a firm represent maximization of profit as well as minimization of losses. The necessary condition of a firm equilibrium require C option है. The scientific condition of a firm equilibrium require A option है. In case of shutdown under perfect competition, firm has to face loss equal to average fixed cost. In case of short run, the supply curve of an industry is in horizontal summation of marginal cost. In case of negative slope supply curve, the burden of tax is on more than tax imposed. The demand for any commodity rises because of increase in population, change in income distribution और change in taste of people. और ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ दिस. तो ये था हमारे पास माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का डोगर यूनिक वालों की बुक से सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने आपके सामने रख दिए हैं. इससे पहले भट्टी सन की बुक से रखे थे. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कारवान वालों की बुक के इम्पोर्टेंट माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के MCQs की वीडियो बनाऊंगी. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.